Does your makeup turn gray and ashy like this after you're done with your makeup? Then this reel is for you. Keep watching. Choosing a shade that is closest to your skin tone is very important. If you choose a lighter shade, there are higher chances of it looking gray later on. Priming your face before applying foundation ensures an even distribution of the product and increases coverage. Color correcting the dark spots on your face reduces the appearance of gray areas. Never mix your foundation with lotions and creams. This reduces the coverage and makes it look gray. Don't forget to set your foundation. This ensures no accidental wipeouts and exposure of skin. And there you have it, flawless foundation for amazing makeup. Be beautiful, be you.